Hi, this is Babber from Babber's Big Ideas, and today I'm going to show you how to take texture off a ceiling that's a little bit much. This is what we had. So here's a good example of the before and afters. And yeah, can we say icicles, anyone? One of the first things you have to do with prep is to poly off your walls and protect your furnishings. Poly, I get the lightest and the cheapest I can find. This is about 8 feet long, or wide. And just let it run on the floor. A slow process, but important. And we found we spent probably 75% of our time prepping yesterday and a quarter of the time actually doing. So it took a few hours.
Once we polyed all the furniture and walls, we placed cotton drop cloths for the floor. This also helped to absorb water that would drip down.
Small tiny little sprayer, fill it with warm water. You have to pump it up. It's a little awkward, but it works. Try to only do 4 feet at a time by 4 feet at a time. Pomax popcorn ceiling scraper. And we are good with just this texture being here rather than trying to get it down to smooth, flat finish. So it's actually quite easy once it's been soaked enough. You take your scraper, and the bag helps to keep the mess down. And you just simply scrape. Like mowing the lawn. Giving your ceiling a haircut.
We continued until we felt it was completed. Now the handy thing with this scraper is it does come with clips to help hold the small bag or grocery bag to help keep the mess down. I did find that it was pretty easy to do. I also think that it is possible to remove more texture if one was to spray again with the water and let it sit for a bit and then scrape. We will also be painting these ceilings next month. So stay tuned to when we do paint and show the final results. Exciting. Okay, you can then use a regular drywall scraper to get into those final detailed areas. This is a little bit of a larger scraper, but you can also use a smaller one, such as this, so that you can get into those tiny details that are harder to get with the bigger one. Excellent.
When the scraping is done, if you want to go over it with a sander just to get a little bit more of that fine detail finish ready for painting, this is what you do. And because this is my daughter's place and she's the one running the sander, she gets to decide when it is finished to the look that she wants.